We are very, very excited and happy to have you here this afternoon to share this with the first Jules Verne Nature Day.
Seth Warren, the director.
On the roof.
I want to say thank you to the festival conveners who are standing here on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Larry Hagman.
Can you imagine 2 billion people in the world do not have electricity?
I applaud him for what he does, and hopefully we can all think green.
Thank you so much for doing everything for the planet. I really appreciate it.
I want to thank the Jules Verne team for this. It's really wonderful, and to be the first is the best. I really enjoy it, and thank you all.